But no, Hongo. It's that time, man.
It's that time.
About that paper.
About that paper.
That money.
Press play.
We got big money in here today, man.
Who's that?
Yo, I took a while to come up with this intro. You know I like to give somebody a
goodness.
proper introduction.
you know.
It's only fitting.
It's only fitting.
It's only fitting.
So, check this out. He's a freaking billionaire. Ladies and gentlemen, Heshan De Silva, yo.
Basically.
Welcome to the show, bro. Welcome to the show.
Think so.
Brilliant.
I mean, you have to excuse Kevin. You know he gets a little excited.
You know,
You guys are crazy.
Yeah.
He's shaking over there. He's literally like,
He
oh my
is.
God, I'm next to a billionaire.
This is the CEO, of course, of the De Silva Group. You know, I don't want to be like Mr. Venture Capitalist because a lot of stuff that you do, but that's what people primarily
that's
know
what
you
we're
for.
known for, right? I mean,
Yeah.
investing in companies. So
That's awesome.
it's cool to be known for something, but we like to be known for a little bit more than the cash. that we
Absolutely.
get, all these titles that people give us, but God is good.
Absolutely.
I want to start with a question that our fan asked, Joffrey, once again. His question was, he did this on Twitter, what steps do I need to take to discover my purpose on Earth in order to change it positively?
You need to figure out what you want to do.
Okay.
You know, never start a business or whatever it is based on what you like right now, because what you liked 5 years ago is not what you like today. So have something deeper than what you like as the starting point, and always try to solve a problem. If you're solving a problem, you're onto something. Never think about it on the face value, but solve people's problems
That's awesome.
in
I
a
like
way
that.
that can be bought. That's a good starting point.
So my question is venture capitalist.
Yeah.
If you had to explain what that is to a caveman,
Yeah.
how would you define it?
basically, the rest of us watching.
We are a fund.
Yeah.
We have people who've invested in our fund, and in turn, we invest in businesses
Okay.
to return a profit for our shareholders.
That's fair enough.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you say to those young people how to deal with their haters the way you deal with yours?
Yeah. Okay. Well, my level is now blogs and people on Twitter and all just writing these little
Yeah.
tweets. But when you're starting, you get plenty of people who say you're never going to make it. You have to define what it is and then making it. There are negative stories with everyone. Heck, I was a former drug addict. I did heroin and coke. Someone can say bad about anyone. But someone, what were you doing on the 1st of January at 7 a.m.?
Turn up!
Turn up!
Yeah, see, Dr. Kirubi was in the office, and 5 days later he sold his stake in a company for 5 billion shillings. That's the real world.
That's the real
But
world.
you can learn something from everyone.
Employ a lot of young people.
Yeah.
And your workforce, I think last year was about like 400 strong. Must be more right
somewhere
now.
around there.
Yeah. So I mean, what is the ethos about that? Employing young people.
I love the energy.
Yeah.
You know, I came in
must
over
be.
here and you guys are just alive. That's the feeling that I love. You want to
awesome.
surround yourself with
Yeah.
that because, 10, 20 years down the road, we're still younger than 50.
It's true.
The future is ours, so we might as well work with each other.
Very true.
And how do these people approach, I guess, you or maybe the company? How do
Yeah.
they come up to you and say, we have this crazy idea.
question.
Yeah.
We want you to invest.
Our website, it's online, dsgvencap.com. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're everywhere. It's pretty easy.
You ever told anyone off?
Told anyone off?
Your idea is just totally rubbish. Just get it.
we have a way of telling people no in a very nice way. Because this is
best way
someone's
of
dream. You don't
diplomatic.
want to make them feel like their dream is
Yeah.
worth nothing. But some businesses are not going to work, and that's just reality. Doesn't mean that you're never going to succeed. It just means that idea is
This idea needs to
off.
be.
It's not bad. I'm gonna step away from the serious stuff and ask you a question.
Go
Your
for it.
daily workflow. I know you're a big fan and you take part in Bikram Yoga, right down here at Lavington Green.
Yeah, man.
How important is that to your daily workflow? I mean,
It was important until I stopped it a
geez.
short while ago.
Come on, Heshan. We had faith.
Yeah, well, I work out.
Yeah.
I'm participating in that marathon on Sunday, the First Lady's Beyond Zero thing.
Oh, awesome.
So that's exciting.
Shout out
Yeah.
to the First Lady.
Yeah, I've never run 21 kilometers in my life.
neither
so
have I.
I don't know how that's going to happen.
You're here with us. It's
But,
okay.
but the one thing that I can't buy is more money.
wow,
No, not more money, more time.
Yeah.
Because I have to employ people who have their time and then acquire that.
Yeah.
So I'm always trying to look for more of that. I mean, today I've been up since 5-ish. I got home at 9:30, had dinner, and now I'm here. I mean, this
Jeez.
life is nuts. So while we're young, spend it on things that add value to you.
Yeah.
Because I mean, when we start getting married
True.
and when we have kids and all of this stuff, we don't have that much time anymore.
Yeah.
So use it when you're young.
So, of course, I'm always the one with the crazy questions. You said invest in yourself.
Yeah.
Would you give that advice to, say, a socialite?
I have something very pointed to say about this whole
Let's do
Say
this.
it. Say it like
Am
it
I
is.
allowed to say it?
Yes, you're on the right show for that.
I saw a crazy tweet the other day that said, "Let's just get this right. Someone who is paid to entertain men in a sexual manner is not a socialite. That's a prostitute."
I believe that's true and accurate.
Shots
Use
have been
your
fired.
That was
life in a way that adds value to
backhanded.
people's lives, and not in a way. I mean, this is all superficial. Our faces are gonna change,
Yeah.
and the clothes we wear are gonna change, and what's inside is what really matters. Make sure that inside you're good.
Yeah.
You know?
Can
Don't be a
you have
prostitute
something to
inside.
say?
You
I
heard
got
that.
views and opinions, and those views and opinions will be shared after this because I love you so much right now.
That's also one question.
Yep.
If you were to wake up all of a sudden one morning and you're 16, what would you do differently?
Wow.
Nothing.
Nothing.
You know, if I had done anything differently, I'd be in a
Well,
middle class job in the States,
It's true.
paying off my TV and my washing machine and everything.
Working,
that.
working at KFC. Shout out to KFC.
True that.
Yeah, well, I worked at Starbucks. So
Did you?
Yeah, when I was in university in the States. So you have to go through these terrible experiences to get to where you need to go.
Very true.
Embrace them. They don't last forever. And when you're 60, it's a 5-minute story for someone else.
Yeah.
So just remember, it's never that big.
Oh,
Yeah.
man. There it is.
There it
It's
is.
never that big. Good people. That is Hishan De Silva joining us, of course, for Young Money segment. Thank you. And we apologize for the delay. We know time is money.
Yes.
And
Very happy
that's
to
how
be
we
here, guys.
operate. That's how we operate over
We
here.
try.
But
Thank you for
seriously,
having me, man.
a big thank you for coming
That
through.
was brilliant.
Really great.